Today, I'll take a quick look at CIT Bank's current interest rates for those looking to save with high yields. Starting with an e-checking account, you can earn up to 0.25% APY. You can open an account with a minimum deposit of $100. On money market and saving accounts, you can earn up to 4.7% APY. To qualify, hold a minimum balance of $25,000 or make monthly deposits of $100 or more. This is a great option if you want a simple way to grow your money without locking it into a specific term. If you are interested in a certificate of deposit, CIT Bank offers a variety of options. For short-term options, you can earn 0.3% APY with a minimum deposit of $1,000. Longer-term CDs, like the 2 and 5-year terms, offer APYs ranging from 0.4% to 0.5% for standard accounts and require a higher deposit of $100,000 for jumbo options. You can also choose ramp-up CDs. These products have an interest rate of 0.25%. Minimum accounts openings are $25,000 and $50,000. Here's a rundown of CIT Bank's rates. If you are looking for a mix of competitive rates and flexibility, these accounts are worth considering. If you want to get detailed information about all these product amounts and interest rates, you can visit the webpage. You can also benefit from the product option that best suit your budget and wishes by contacting your bank representative. However, you should remember that interest rates and campaigns may vary accordingly.